How to transfer your photos to Backblaze B2 on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your photos to Backblaze B2 on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines. Click on it and go down, click settings and go down again until you find it. Transfer a copy of your information. Click on it and then click next. And now just go down, click Backblaze B2 and then go to videos and click none if you want to transfer only your photos, and then click next and next. And now all you need to do is just enter your Backblaze B2 account, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.